Welcome to our book club series. This is the first video in our playlist, where we'll be reviewing and discussing various books in depth. We'll be covering a wide range of genres, from self-help to fiction, and everything in between. Our aim is to provide you with valuable insights into the books we read and share our thoughts and opinions on the stories, characters, themes, and the lessons we can learn from them. So, if you love reading and want to explore new books, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest book club videos. Let's dive into our first book review, Olivia Fox Cabane's The Charisma Myth. Olivia Fox Cabane is an author, speaker, and executive coach who focuses on helping people develop their charisma and social skills. She has worked with many high-profile clients and has written several books on the topic, including The Charisma Myth, Master the Art of Personal Magnetism. Welcome to my new playlist of my channel, Book Club. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to share with you my thoughts on one of the most insightful books I've read recently, The Charisma Myth by Olivia Fox Cabane. I, Andy, author of this channel, I wanted to share a little bit of what I've read in The Charisma Myth. While it didn't completely blow me away, I did find some valuable takeaways. So, here are some key points from the book. In a world that seems to value extroverted, confident individuals, it's no surprise that many of us feel inadequate when it comes to social situations. However, the truth is that charisma is not something that's only reserved for a select few. It can be learned and developed through practice and guidance, which is exactly what this book offers. The author, Olivia Fox Cabane, provides a comprehensive guide to developing charisma in three key areas: presence, power, and warmth. In the first section, Presence, she explores how we can project a strong and confident presence through body language, vocal tonality, and other techniques. For instance, she suggests adopting powerful poses, making eye contact, and controlling our breathing to convey a sense of calm and control. The second section, Power, focuses on developing assertiveness and authority in different social and professional contexts. Here, Fox Cabane provides practical exercises for building confidence, overcoming the fear of rejection, and communicating our needs more effectively. Finally, in the third section, Warmth, the author delves into developing empathy and emotional intelligence, which are essential for building lasting relationships and inspiring trust in others. She provides tools and strategies for developing these skills, such as active listening, reflecting on our emotions, and building rapport with others. Overall, The Charisma Myth is an invaluable resource for anyone looking to boost their social confidence and connect with others more effectively. By following the tips and exercises outlined in the book, readers can learn to master the art of personal magnetism and develop a strong, positive presence in any situation. In conclusion, I highly recommend The Charisma Myth to anyone who wants to develop their social skills and become more confident in their interactions with others. It's an engaging, practical guide that offers real-world solutions to the challenges many of us face in social situations. And don't forget, as promised, I'll leave a link to the book in the description and comments below. To get you started, here's one practice you can try today to develop your social confidence. Focus on your breathing and adopt a strong, confident posture before entering any social situation. With practice, you'll be amazed at how much of a difference this can make. If you have read The Charisma Myth, or if you have any interesting stories related to charisma, feel free to share them in the comments below. I would love to hear about your experiences and thoughts on the book. Let's start a conversation and learn from each other. Thanks for watching.